Hi, happy friends! Let's do uppercase letters activity together. I need your help to find all the missing puzzle pieces. Let's start looking. I wonder which letter is hiding here. It's letter A. Color red. Let's put it on the puzzle. Letter A is for alligator. Let's look for another letter. I wonder what's the next letter. It's letter T, color orange. Let's put it on the puzzle. Letter T is for tiger. Let's look for the next letter. We found it. It's letter G. It's color pink. Let's put it on the puzzle. Letter G is for giraffe. Let's keep looking for the next letter. It's letter U, color yellow. Putting it on the puzzle. Letter U is for under. In this picture, the boat is under the bridge. Let's look for the next hidden letter. We found it. It's letter C. It's also color yellow. Letter C sounds K. It's for cat. I wonder what letter could be here this time. It's letter Z, color pink. Letter Z is for zebra. What letter do you think we're going to find this time? Oh, look! It's letter D, color green. Letter D goes after C. Letter D is for dolphin. Look at this happy dolphin. Alright, let's keep looking. The next letter is letter K. It's color orange. Putting it on the puzzle. Letter K is for kangaroo. I wonder which letter is hiding this time. It's letter J, color red. It goes right before K. Letter J is for jellyfish. What letter do you think we're going to find this time? We found something. Look, it's letter R, color purple. Letter R is for rabbit. Rabbits love carrots. I'm excited to find the next letter. It's letter P, color pink. Letter P is for panda. I wonder which letter is hiding this time. It's the letter F, color blue. Let's put it on the puzzle. Letter F is for fish. Digging my sand for the next letter. Found something. It's letter N, color blue, light blue. Letter N is for nocturnals. Nocturnals are the animals who sleep during the day, but they are awake during night, like owl or bat or a possum. Let's find the next missing puzzle piece. It's letter M, color green. Letter M is for monkey. Monkeys love bananas. I wonder which letter comes out next. It's letter E, color light blue. Letter E is for elephant. Let's dig for the next letter. It's letter X, color blue. Letter X is for X-ray. Let's keep looking. The next letter is letter B, color orange. Let's put it on the puzzle. Letter B is for bear. I wonder what comes out next. It's letter O. It looks like a zero. It goes right over here. Letter O is for octopuses. What letter do you think comes out next? It's letter Y, color pink. Letter Y is for yak. Let's keep digging for the next letter. It's letter H, color pink. Let's put it on the puzzle. Letter H is for horse. I wonder what's going to come out next. It's letter V, color green. Let's put it on the puzzle. Letter V is for vulture. I'm excited for the next letter to find. We found it! It's letter S, color red. Let's put it on the puzzle. Letter S is for snake. Let's find the next hiding missing piece. It's letter W, color light blue. Letter W is for whale. I wonder what comes out next. It's letter I, color purple. Letter I is for iguana. I wonder which of the two missing letters this one is. Good job, we found it. It's letter Q, color pink. Letter Q is for quail. Let's dig for the very last missing piece. It's letter L, color yellow. Letter L is for lion. You did a great job finding all the missing puzzle pieces. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. See you soon. Bye.